To generate an Semrush social media toolkit, start by understanding what Semrush is. A comprehensive digital marketing tool that offers various features to improve your online presence. The social media toolkit is part of the Semrush suite, designed to help you manage and optimize your social media marketing efforts. First, log into your Semrush account. If you don't have one, create a new account and set up your profile. Once logged in, navigate to the Social Media Toolkit section. This is usually found under the Tools or Projects tab. Next, you need to connect your social media accounts to Semrush. This includes Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. To do this, click on the Add Social Profile button and follow the prompts to authorize Semrush to access your social media accounts. After connecting your social media accounts, you can start using the Social Media Toolkit features. The toolkit offers a range of tools, including social media analytics, content creation, and posting scheduling. Use the Analytics tool to track your social media performance, including engagement rates, follower growth, and content reach. To create a new post, click on the Content Creation tab and select the type of post you want to create, such as a Facebook post or a Twitter tweet. Use the built-in editor to craft your post, adding text, images, and links as needed. You can also use the Semrush Content Ideas feature to get inspiration for your posts. Once you have created your post, use the scheduling tool to plan when it will be published. This allows you to manage your social media content in advance, ensuring consistent posting and minimizing the risk of missed posts. In addition to content creation and scheduling, the Social Media Toolkit also offers a range of other features, including social media monitoring, competitor analysis, and content calendar management. Use these features to stay on top of your social media marketing efforts. Track your competitors, and plan your content in advance. Best practices for using the Semrush Social Media Toolkit include regularly monitoring your social media analytics, using the Content Ideas feature to stay inspired, and scheduling your posts in advance to ensure consistent posting. By following these steps and using the Social Media Toolkit features, you can improve your social media marketing efforts and grow your online presence.